when you launch your Naukri.com, along with this Naukri.com, we're getting number of child windows here, right? So what is my requirement here? And I told yesterday class, I told you what I told you. By default, Selenium will have control to
Parent window.
Parent window. By default, that's a default control. Now, my requirement here is I want to give control to this child windows. I want to maximize one by one window. I want to maximize this window, get the title, close it. Maximize window, get this title window, this window title, close it. Get maximize this window, get this title and close it. Once it complete performing all the child windows, now I want give back control back to my parent window, means this window, parent window. And after giving control to parent window, I want click on register for free. Means now the control should be for which window? Main window. And I want click on I'm experience. Okay. Then I want do something and close that window. How we do this? Let us see. Okay. Do you understand all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Handling multiple windows. Select your main method, finish off it. And you know the common code for every script, we have been writing the common code. This is the common code, so let me not waste my time. Okay, now? Right. Now, first step. All of you know, when you're working on parent window or any multiple windows, the first step is always try to get parent window ID. This is the first step you have to do, right? How to get that parent window? Is a string type or not? String. Define an object for that. Parent is equal to driver dot get window handle. By default, we get that method get window handled. And if you want to print that parent window ID, print that, no problem. Okay, parent. Done. After getting that parent window ID, all of you know, automatically Selenium is opening that child window. So get collection of all windows, not only parent child, all windows IDs, including what? Including parent also, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Including parent. So,
yes.
So all of you know, we use one interface. What that interface we use for that?
So set
interface. Why are you using set interface? Why can't go with list? Why can't we use list interface here? Because we are not getting any integer here, right?
Yes, sir.
We are getting the windows, collection of windows, pair of windows. Yes. So that's the reason we are going with set collection. Set of Java util, and data type is nothing but string type.
String.
Why? Because the windows IDs are not in an integer type, string type. Yes. So store into one variable. All
windows.
All wins is equal to driver dot
get window handles.
The next step is very important. What is the next step we should do here? What the next step it has to do?
Sys out printing.
I want to
maximize the window.
No. By default, Selenium is unless you say switch to, it can't. That's what. Still, Selenium is having parent window control. I want to give control to these child windows. I want to iterate all these child windows one by one. Okay, by giving control, iterate them first, and then give control to one by one window, maximize this window, get the title of this window, close it one by one. Okay, so here, instead of always going with for each loop, we can also take help of iterator. I told you in Java class. Do you remember? Iterator. Iterator, which is similar to for each loop. You can take iterator also. Yes? Iterator. Take iterator. So what we're doing here, we are iterating Iterate all windows. What is that? Iterator. Control space bar because it is a interface. Iterator. Import package. That import package java.util. Iterator. Some data type, always data type same as for each loop only. What data type your collection is holding, you define the same data type here also. And store, define one variable to define one variable. I'm defining str is equal to, I'm storing all that windows into str. Str is holding what? Str will hold position, each and every position of that every windows. Okay, str, what do you want to iterate? You want to iterate all wins. Exactly, all wins dot iterator. What is str? Anybody? What is str variable holding?
It is
Anybody?
holding the position of all
Exactly.
windows.
What are the windows this all wins has? Each and every position will be stored into str. Or x, you define x, whatever variable you want, it's up to you. Now, what is my requirement here? I want to keep on iterating until x becomes false. Yesterday class, what I told you? Yesterday class, what we did, we taken a for each loop. Yes. Here, parent window should not be equal to child window. That all of you know that. So here also, parent window should not be equal to child window. First of all, iterate them. Keep on iterating until your x becomes false. For that, what loop will take? While loop. Yes or no? While we have one method x dot has next. Do you remember that, all of you guys? What is has next method? As next method will keep on iterating until x becomes false. It's a true Boolean type, true or false. If x is having any elements, it goes on iterating. If x is not having any elements, it comes out of it. Okay? And then get from that collection, while iterating, get each and every child window and store. Get each window, one by one window and store it one variable. So I can say string, I can say child here instead of each, I can say child is equal to x dot next method. Do you remember? Next method. Next method always returns next element in the iteration. How many elements it has? X has, that many times it goes on getting that value. So that means positions. X will have all positions from parent to child. So first it will get parent window and store into child, second child window, third, fourth, like that, vagera, vagera. But here, what the condition I told you? When you want to switch to parent, child, any child window, X child is also holding what? Child also holding what? Parent window ID or not? Yes or no? Child is also holding parent window or not? Anybody? Child object, this child object is holding parent window ID or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Child window here. Child window is holding parent window ID or not?
Holding.
Holding, right?
Currently.
Yes, holding. Now, what the condition which we say here? If not parent dot equals to what?
Each.
Huh? It should not equal to what? It should not equal to child.
Child.
Yes, when it's not equal to child, then what do you want? What do you want?
Has to switch to child window.
Yeah, each child window get title and close. Okay, You should keep on switching to each child window one by one. Maximize it and close. That's what our, because I cannot work with my child windows. What is my intention? When we use these concepts, people are asking, yes, when you have multiple windows, Selenium can work only on single window. That all of you know that. Am I right or not? By default, Selenium will have only single window control. When you are working manually also, when multiple windows are open, if you go to that window only, it will take that window. Yes or no? Manually. Same thing, automation doesn't understand. Automation tool always will have focus to which window? By default, parent window only. So until unless you say, it can't switch to it. So now switch to child window, each child window, get that title and close them. Title is string type, right? String page title is equal to, switch that, driver dot, switch to dot, window. Which window you want switch? Child or parent?
So parent.
Parent.
Child window.
Child dot get title. Get that title. Okay? And print that every child window title or console tab. Print that every child window title here. Okay? Page title. Okay, na? Yes. Now, after getting the title, maximize it because they're open minimize window. For your understanding, I'm asking maximize. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. This is concept. And I want to wait for few seconds per observation. Thread dot sleep. Wait for 5000 milliseconds and keep on closing the one by one window. Driver dot quit or close. Close or quit. What I should use?
Close.
Don't say quit. If you say quit, all your parent windows will be closed. All the windows which are open. I want to close only my child windows. Okay. So even after switching to this window also, after getting to switch into this window also, wait for 5 seconds. Okay, not required. Okay, fine. Then after closing all these child windows, what do you want? Come out of the loop. This loop is only for what? Iterating child windows. Come out of the loop. After coming up the loop, now switch to parent window. Switch to parent window. Now you do your work on that parent. Now still where Selenium have control, you know, guys? Where Selenium has control? Anybody? Where Selenium is having control? Priyanka?
Parent window, sir, because we have already closed the child window. So it goes back to the
it will be having control to parent window only. So, sorry, child window only. Now we are asking to come back to parent. How to come back to parent again? Driver dot, switch to dot,
window, parent.
Now what do you want after switching back to parent? Wait for 5 seconds.
Wait for 5 seconds.
And what I want is, I want to click on that. I'm experienced. What is that? Register for me first. Click on register. I want to know whether it's getting control or not. Click on register link. Click on that. Driver dot find element by dot XPath value will give later dot click. Okay. Again wait for 5 seconds. Again one more click should be there. See. Again I want click on I am experience with XPath. Click that again. Click on I am experienced. Whatever you want to click. Okay. Again wait for 5 seconds. And then enter some username. Enter some first name and close. If you want, fill the rest of the field you want. But I'm filling. Just I want to know whether it's controlled to the parent window or not. Okay. I just want to enter name. Okay. So driver dot find element by dot ID value dot send keys, and we send some value there. Okay, guys. Wait for 5 seconds. Wait for 5 seconds, and then close my parent window also. Close my parent window. Driver dot close. Okay. So that means we are giving control to multiple windows. See, that's very important here. Do you understand, all of you, what the purpose of this multiple windows concept, all of you guys? Okay. Now, first, let us get the register with me. Register for free. Kada? Right click on this. Inspect element. And for this, you can take direct XPath or relate XPath. It's up to you. You can copy down relate XPath. And if you don't want this relate XPath, we can copy. How to copy direct XPath? How to copy direct XPath, full XPath? Anybody?
Inspect element.
Inspect
Copy.
element. Inspect element.
Click on
right click on that. Right click on this blue color. Right click on it. Copy. Copy full XPath. XPath means related to copy. Full XPath means absolute XPath it will copy. Okay, do it. No problem. Try that also. No issue. Absolute XPath, such a big XPath. Don't worry. Next, I want absolute XPath again for this also. Full XPath. I am experienced. Right click on it. Inspect element. Right click on this. Copy. Full XPath. So every time need not customize XPath here. That flexibility we have. Only div tag is changing. Look at that. Next, for this we can copy ID value for name text box. No problem. It may have name text box. Right click on it. Right click on this. Inspect element. Name is equal to ID. What I give ID? ID of name. Okay. Now, so here add your superclass throws throwable. How do you know it's absolute XPath, all of you? How do you recognize which is? How do you recognize which is absolute XPath, which is relate XPath?
Single and double forward slash.
Yes.
Double slash. Single and double slash, and also the length.
Yes. Single forward slash always is a absolute XPath. Yes. You have recognized by looking, you should be able to identify. Observe, all of you now. Let us observe it. It's going to do that or not. See that. First, our control is to child windows because I want to close all my child windows. First, you should go on focusing on, see now. Now see, now it has given control to child window. One window, done, close. Get the title and close. Maximize, close. Then next, second control given to, I'm not doing, don't think I'm doing. Okay, Selenium is doing that job. Third window. Now, focus to parent window. Again, we give control to parent window. In that parent window, click on register for free. Look at that. Is it clicking on register for free?
No.
See the, what the mistake? What the problem it has? No such element exception. Before, see that these are the child windows titles, right? What's the problem with this?
Maybe unable to locate. That means we have given the wrong path.
XPath. Okay, let me check it out. You give wrong XPath. Say, check it out. Right click on it. Inspect element. Right click on it. Copy full XPath. I copied full XPath for that. Or how do you customize that XPath? Anybody? How do you customize? See, now let me check once again. If it's not recognizing, then we go that way. Customizing is important at that situation. Child windows are working correctly. Yes. But when it's come to this parent, see that again it's saying unable. Okay, look here first. Is it coming to parent window or not is important first of all. Is it switching to that parent window or not? After completion of the loop, yes, we are switching to parent window only. Switch to parent window, wait for 5 seconds, and then click on that register link here, right? It's unable to click that register link. So what's the problem? Let's see. We can write with contents here. We can write with contents, right? Text, contents, text, all of you. Huh? So that tag, how to write the text path? Do you remember all of you? Control F, double forward slash, button, open square bracket, text, no ID, no attribute, text, open close parenthesis, sorry, contents, open parenthesis, text, open close parenthesis, comma, single quotation, closure parenthesis, closure square bracket, and get that text of this register for me. Some part of the text we can provide, right? Some part of it, we can provide some part, REG, no problem. If it's showing more than one, we know how to overcome that problem. How many elements are there with that? How many elements are there with that? 2 elements. So that 2. How to overcome that problem? Open close parenthesis, open square bracket, 1. So that is, it's going to first one by default, right? So that first element. Okay. Now I hope it will identify with this X path. Or is it switching or not switching? Let us see now. Check with this now, all of you. Loading, it's taking time to load. Focus to child window. Get that windows. Done. That is done. Child windows are been completed. Now you should focus to parent window. It's able to click now, right? Then click on I'm experience. Yes. This is the issue with the expert dynamically changing, maybe so. And then enter name and then even close this window also. So that when you want to give control to Windows, we have to go ahead like this. Do you understand, all of you guys? Do you understand why you are switching to Windows now? And one more, look here, one more thing interview will ask you. Suppose if you take Gmail application, all of you observe carefully. Do you understand, all of you guys? Why I'm switching to Windows? All of you. Do you understand?
Yes.
Look here, all of you guys. In this Gmail will not open. Gmail opens only single window here. I should open manually. Look at that. I'm clicking on help. It navigates one window. I'm clicking on privacy. It navigates one more window. I'm clicking on terms. It's navigating one more window. Almost how many windows we got? Here we got, including parent, 4 windows. What is interview question here is, when number of windows are open in desktop, how do we give control to specific window? Suppose I want to give control to help window only. Not all windows, only help window. I want you control that particular window. I want to work on that window. Remember, all of you, here we have to remember the index number of these windows here, index numbers. This will have 0 index number. This will have 1, 2, 3. I repeat again, index numbers I'm telling. This will have 0 index number, 1, 2, 3. But some people asking, sir, we have clicked on help kada. It should have first window ante. Look at that, all of you. I know, next question will rise, I know. We're opening our help. Yes, that's the first link we're opening. But when I click on, look at that. When I click on privacy, look at the position of this tab. The position of the tab is changing or not? Now it has gone to second position. So when I click on terms, again that position. So last link will have first index number. First link what we click will have, last link will have first index number. First link what we click will have last index number. Do you remember, all of you? Do you understand me?
Yes.
Then how do you give specific window? Suppose I want to give, see here, I want to give to this window, specific window. I want to get the title of this window. I want to verify my title is matching or not. If my title is matching, okay, done. Otherwise, not matching, fail. How you validate? How to give? My question is here. I don't want to give all windows. This concept, what we learned so far, looping statements. These statements will work out with all windows. Remember that. Yesterday's and today's concept. This topic also. It works for all windows. But how to give control to specific window is my question. Let's see. Multiple windows, 1. Select main method, finish off it. Do you understand my question, all of you guys? Did you understand my question?
Yes.
Now, here we should take help of, array list class. Do you remember array list class, all of you?
Yes.
Array list. What is array list? Which can store? Collection. Kada? Collection. Now we have to get the collection of all these windows. Before that, what Selenium has to do? Click on how many links? 3 links. Kada? 3 links. We should navigate to these 3 windows. Selenium is not opening. We should do that. We are not, Selenium will not long, Naukri.com. Naukri.com will open automatically. But here we need to open them. Selenium has to keep on clicking all these 3 links. Do that. Driver dot, find element, by dot, partial link text I can take, no problem. They are links only. Dot, click. 3 links, okay? Right click on these links one by one. Inspect. Go to crow path. Go to your crow path. And copy out partial link text. Edit this partial link text. Copy. Help. First one is help. Next one is privacy. Go to partial link text. Edit this. Copy this. Paste here. Next one is terms. Partial link text. Copy. Edit. Paste. You can go to link text also. Not an issue. Not a problem. Now, store collection of all windows, all windows into where? Into
List.
array list class. Array list class. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. You should work out, please. Don't sit simply, please, please. Come on. Array list control space bar. It's a class. Import this package. Array list. What data type I should use?
String.
String. Windows are string type. Store that into array variable. Define one array variable. brw is equal to new array list. Array list. And again data type should be
String.
string. Now get that collection of all windows and store into this array collection. Get that collection of all windows. Driver dot get window handles automatically takes that collection. So whenever you want, remember all of you guys, whenever you want to give control to specific window in multiple windows, this is very important. Array list class is very important. Okay, na? Now where that collection of windows are stored, help, privacy, terms, parent window also, where they are stored? Yes, BRW. Now my requirement is, what is our requirement here?
Yeah.
Help, privacy, terms. Now I want to give control to this child window, specific window. Specific window. What is the index number of this window here? 3. How to get any position value from array list? I think I told you one method. Already we used it. You tell me. Now this BRW is holding collection here, collection of windows. How do you get specific window position from that collection? Yes, somebody did. What is that? Any specific window position here. How do you return any specific window position from array list?
By using index.
Object.
Method. Method I want. Method name. I told you. Think about. Windows. We have 3-4 windows here. Among these 3, 4 or 5 or 10 or 20, whatever the count, how do you get all these are student array collection? All these are student array collection. How do you return any specific window position from this collection? Simple method, get method. Do you remember? Get method. Yes or no? Get, G-E-T, get method. Get method is always returns specific position in the collection list. Now we have to take help of that element. Now switch to help, anything, help child window, and verify some testing చేసుకోవాలి అక్కడ ఊరికే స్విచ్ అవ్వడం కాదు. Verify title. Come on, switch to that window now. Come on guys, switch to that child window. Switch to that window. Switch. Driver dot switch to dot window. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు brw dot collection, brw dot get method. Index number ఏంటమ్మా? What is the index number of that window? 3. Index number start from 0. Remember, 0 will be always, who will have 0 index number? Parent. That's what. So now I want to get the title of this window here. I want to get this title of this window. Get that title. All of you know how to get that complete title. All of you know, I think.
Get title method.
String actual title is equal to get the title. Driver dot get title. Now what's your expected title? Store that into one variable. String expected title. Many people, I saw number of people are teaching these classes, but they don't go elaborate, simply showing window switching and closing. No, do something differently, then only we get ideas. How to get this title of this page here? Runtime low, right click on it. I told you inspect element. In the HTML page I told you At the beginning of the any HTML page, head tag, open head tag, open head tag, so that title will be there. 100%. You copy some part of the title. Some part of the title. That is your expected. Okay, na? And what do you want? You want to verify? Selenium, go and verify. This actual title contains this Google or not. Ante kada? Verify it.
If actual title.
Exactly. Actual title dot
equals to expected title.
Don't say equals, ma. We should not use equals. I am not giving complete title there, right? I am giving only some part of the title in expected. In that, we have to go with what? Contains. Contains with what? Expected title. See, in expected title, I have not given complete title. I give some part of it. Equals looks for complete string. Remember, I told you number of times. If it is like this, then what do you say here? System dot out dot. You can say title is matching. If you want any doubt, print the titles in your console tab, no problem. Plus expected title plus some blank space plus actual title. Okay, na? This is condition part. This is condition part. Else title is not matching. I am focusing only one window. Next we'll see how to verify next windows also. Don't wait. So let us wait for 5 seconds. No problem. Throwable. Okay. For your observation, you can ask tool to wait for more second. When I was switching to that window, wait for it. And I want to close that window here after verifying the title. I want to close that window. Wait for 5 seconds. Driver dot close. Let Selenium close that window. How many windows will be remaining still?
3 windows.
3 more windows will be remaining, including parent. Kada? Privacy, terms, parent window. Okay, na? Yes or no? We are focusing only on one window now. gmail.com. Okay? Check this. Understand that. Like that, they'll ask you interview question. I'll ask you, how do you handle a specific window when multiple tabs or windows are open? Observe that. Have you given locators for all of them correctly? Okay, check it out. It has to click on that child windows. It will click, don't worry. Yes, it will click. Now we give to specific window. Now see, control has given to help only. Look at that. It a white color means control has given to that window. Then it has verified that title and close. Remaining windows, nothing to do. Now it has verified. What is that? Title is matching Google and the actual title is also Google. That's what I give only some part of title. I'm taking with the complete title. Now next again I want to give control to terms window here. Terms window. After completion of this, come out of that else part. Okay, condition what? Condition part, if condition, else part. After closing that window, here itself. Wait for again 5 seconds. After closing that window. Now I want to give control to which window now? Any window, you choose any window. Already 2 windows are closed. One window closed. Which one you want? Privacy. I want click on this. I want focus to this privacy window. How to give control? Same.
Driver dot switch to.
If you want to get that title, no problem. I'm just showing you how to give control. Privacy title. Privacy title is equal to define one variable. Driver dot switch to dot window. First we have to give control. Control window brw dot. What is index number of that? What is index number of that? 2 na? Look here.
Privacy is.
Choose
Privacy is 1, sir.
One second. Many people this has closed here. This has closed. Now I want to give this window. What is the number of this window? 2 kada?
One, sir.
2, ma.
Okay.
2, I think. Look here. Don't confuse. Help window closed.
2.
2 only, sir. 2.
2.
2, sir.
2. What do you want? You want to get that title.
Title.
Title. Close that window. I'm not doing any validation for this page. Just closing that window. Okay. If you want validate in this page also, you can validate. Privacy. I'm just showing. Some people asking, sir, why only switching? Why can't you do validation? Yes, do that validation. What you did for the first page, you can do that validation for this also. Again, wait for 5 seconds for my observation. I'm doing this waiting period and close that window also. Then again, I want to switch to next one more child window. What that left-over child window? What that
Terms.
left-over child window?
Terms.
Terms. Terms title is equal to terms title. Copy paste here. Okay. Now what that number, index number
1.
of that? 1. Again, I want to focus to parent window now. Finally, focus to parent window. Now switch to parent window.
Hello?
Hello?
Sir, is it suggestible to write 2 lines of code in 1 line?
Sorry?
Is it suggestible to write 2 lines of code in 1 line?
2 lines of code in 1 line. What that meaning?
Is privacy title is equal to driver dot switch to window.
Yeah, directly get here. Why again 2 lines?
Is it suggestible or not?
Yes, yes, we can do it. We can do it.
Okay.
We can do it here. We are getting the title, switching and getting the title. No need of again switching, again getting title. Why? Simply wasting time.
Okay.
Finally, focus to parent window. Come on, guys. Focus to parent window. Finally, focus to parent window. Driver dot. You want that parent title, also get that title. No problem. String.
String.
Parent.
Parent title is equal to
Parent title is equal to
driver dot switch.
driver dot switch to dot window brw dot get. What is the index number of parent window?
0.
0 dot get title. Print the title. Print the title. Parent title. If you want to do validation, do it. After switching to parent window, wait for 5 seconds. Enter username in that parent window. Let me check whether control has been given to that window or not. After coming back to parent window, you should enter username here, email ID. Okay, enter that. Driver dot find element by dot ID value dot send keys. Enter your email. Okay, that's it. I don't want to go beyond that. And close the browser. Just I want to know whether it's getting controlled or not to that particular window. Okay, na?
Driver dot close.
Driver dot close. Wait for 5 more seconds. Wait for 5 more seconds. Driver dot close. Okay. First, right click on this. Inspect element. ID. Edit this. Copy this. Paste here. Like that. See. That's how the way we can give control to all one by and take annitike rule there is no that we should give control. Just I'm showing you. If an interviewer asking you guys, this answer your answer. Okay. Using a list class, we can give to a specific control window. And one thing, all of you do one thing for this same code, write this way. What written using iterator. Okay. Open all of them. Open all these windows one by one, 3 windows. Iterate them. No need to iterate all that windows, get the title, close one by one window and focus on parent window.
So without using array list?
Without using array list, using iterator. You do that. Practice. There is nothing wrong in it. Okay. Do you understand my question, all of you? Do you understand my question? All of you. What I am asking. Open all that windows, child windows here. Open all that child windows. Use iterator or for each loop, it's up to you. Focus to one by one child window. So this will be helping you when you want to focus all child windows one by one. This code will help you to give control to specific window which you want. Here we don't have that chance. Am I right or not? Within the loop, it iterate every window. But here we have a
It
chance.
just opens and closes, right, sir?
Yes.
Only iterator will open and close. It will give the control.
Yes, that's it.
ILS.
Looping,
Okay.
right, looping. Take the title of every window and close it one by one, one by one. Okay? You must open these windows, remember, all of you. It's not like Naukri.com. Naukri.com opens automatically. You should open these windows. Do you understand, all of you guys? Did you understand, all of you? You want me to repeat once again the question?
Yes, sir.
My question is, you have done this. We are focusing to specific window here. In this case, one by one window, one by one window. Instead of that, what I'm asking you, open all these windows, take a iterator, iterate one by one child window, which I have shown this previous code. Iterate one by one window, get the title of each child window, close them, and then switch to parent window and close that window also. Means how to close one by one child window. Here I'm showing. Here I'm showing how to focus to specific window. Here, there is no need to write all windows like this. I am writing for your understanding, okay? It's up to your window. Which window you want, we can give control. But here, we can't give to any specific window. It focus all windows. Because it will be within the loop. Do you understand? Here, it will be within the loop. There is no chance to focus to specific window. But here, we got a chance to focus to any specific window. That's the advantage we have. Do you understand me, all of you? Huh? Check this. Now, check this. What happened remaining, guys? Understanding, all of you? Arjun.
Yes, sir.
Arjun, Priyanka. Huh? Day by day, you becoming. These are interesting topics here. You have to learn. Selenium within 2 days, 5 days, will complete course and will. No, lot of stories are there. Wait. Now see that white color, it's above the top. White color means focus to that window, meaning. Get the title, verify the title. Done. Next, focus to this window. Next window, privacy window. Close the title. We ask get title, close it. That's it. Next, after this, it goes to next one more window. Terms window. So based on index number, it works. Whatever index number you provided, it goes on according to the index number. And finally, we give focus to parent window. Here, what I'm asking you, using iterator, how you do iterate at a time, all one by one child windows. That's it. And not even click next button also. Don't worry. Right? All windows got closed now. Like that. Whenever you want to give control to specific window, then you can take help of this array list concept. Very, very important. So different 3 ways I shown you how to handle windows. Okay, guys? Do you understand me, all of you? Okay, na? And do one more thing. One more task for you guys. One more task for you. Open IRCTC. Yeah? IRCTC. So many people, sir, I'm not getting that URL, sir. I'm sending that URL also to your email, to the chat box, please. Make a note of it. Chat box. Where's the chat box? Note that URL, all of you. See here. Same. In this IRCTC also. In this IRCTC, first we get this alert. How to handle this alert? Before we enter the main page, how to handle this alert? How do you handle this alert? Alert. I want close this window, then only I can go to parent window here. How to handle this? Accept or dismiss? What do you want? Driver dot? Switch to dot?
Alert dot.
Alert dot? Accept. Yes or no? All of you. All of you. All of you. Huh? Yes or no?
Yeah.
No. That's what I'm saying. Everyone, don't expect everything is Windows here. We are able to inspect this element. Remember, It is web page. We can write code for this, no problem. Alert windows, don't confuse. Alert means when you try to right click on it, when you're unable to inspect, then it's alert window. It is not alert. We are able to inspect that. It has a locator value. Don't worry. We can go with XPath or a partial link text. It is a hyperlink, maybe so. A button type. It is a button type. Go with crow path and take that related XPath of it. No problem. Take that related XPath. Okay. It's not alert. Alert and alert na? No. It's not alert window. It's not a pop-up window. Okay. First write a code for this. Close this window. Okay. Driver dot find element by dot XPath dot click. Okay. Don't go with alerts. Okay. Click OK. After this, after clicking OK, come down. See here also we get multiple windows here. Click on flights. It opens one tab. Click on stay. It opens one more tab. Click on Rails. If you want to practice more on Windows, multiple windows, this is the best example for you. Same thing for this also, which are written the code. Go with array list and focus to specific window. Do it. Practice this also, all of you. Okay. Just focus to specific. Which window you want? Focus. No problem. Get the title. Do something. Any validation you want, do it. No, it's up to you. Any one specific page, you can, any specific window, if you want to do any validation, do it. No problem. Okay, now? Will you do that, all of you? This is one more task.
Yes.
Okay? Do it here, do it. Then only get practice, habitus to that. Okay? This is how we can handle multiple windows, handle alerts. How to handle frames also I'll show you. And now we're eligible to move into actions. How to handle mouse overs, keystrokes. How to handle mouse overs, keystrokes in a web page. We'll start tomorrow. Now it's not time. I have one more batch. This Saturday, please plan. This Saturday I'm planning. Yesterday's compensation I'll take Saturday class compulsory. This Saturday we have class. Don't go away. Possible we'll have some more time on Saturdays. Okay. Are you ready on Sundays also, all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me time on Sundays also, morning hours, not evening hours? Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
No, we'll plan this Sunday also
Sure,
here,
sir.
so that we can 2
Okay.
hours we'll spend and we'll complete. Why simply wasting time? Huh?
Sure.
We'll plan Saturday. I'll tell you the timings. We'll see. Okay.
Okay.
Right. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Please practice them. Please, all of you. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, fine. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.
I see.